In the morning of day off. In BTS dorm. It's peaceful morning when suddenly. What the fuck? Jungkook stop playing with their phones. What? I'm not. Jungkook is next to me. So it's not him. You accused him without reason, so maybe it's your doing, Jimin. I'm in my room right now. Who the fuck is screaming first thing in the morning? I'm sorry, Hyung. It's me and Jin Hyung. But we have a reason why we screamed. OMG, stop it, Hyung. Yeah, stop it. Why both of you screamed? Me and Jin Hyung saw something terrified. Hyung, stop, you going to get wrinkles. You don't want that, right? Of course no. Then stop screaming. Alright, fine. Anyway. What's something terrified you both saw? Mint. Chocolate. Ice cream. In the fridge. And there's a lot of it. There's more. But I don't want my gallery full of these. Let's just say these things takes all the spaces in the fridge. I'm not joking. OMG, Namjoon Hyung was right. OMG. I just wanna ask, who the hell stocked up mint chocolate ice cream in the fridge? Hyung, we all know who is it. It's obvious indeed. Yup. Hobie. Don't ignore this. Jung Ho Seok. What? Don't what me? You have your own fridge, so why you put those in the fridge? Wait, Hobie, don't tell me what I think right now. Okay. I ordered mint chocolate ice cream about 100 plus. And why you ordered it so many? You know yourself that you the only one who eat it the most. No, how dare you scold my Hobie, Hyung. It's okay, Hyung, I'll eat it with you. I can't do anything horrible when they look like that. Exactly. So you guys are not mad anymore? No. Well, 50-50. Same as me, but please finish it quickly. Alright. Hoseok, Jimin, Taehyung, Jungkook and Suga eat the mint chocolate ice cream. Meanwhile, Namjoon and Jin look at them from afar with the disgust on their face.